Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon you and all of mercy and blessing. Best wishes to all of us. Hello everyone, my name is Ferdinand. I'm a doctoral student at the School of Environmental Science, University of Indonesia. Let me present other author to present a paper on the theme of environmental science entitled Change in Community Behavior in Managing Household Waste in Bekasi, Indonesia. First, I will explain the introduction to this paper. As we all know, the development of urban areas lead to change in a natural environment, greater utilization of natural resources, increases air pollution, and increase in the volume of waste caused by population growth. And the speed of population growth that cannot follow the ability to facilitate in the case of environmental problem. The development of urban areas must be balanced with the changed community behavior in the household waste management. Household that the area the biggest potential source of waste generation can be the main target for the waste reduction. And the change people behavior in the management of household waste is a major side of the implementation of waste management should be in the priority right in order to realize the management of sustainable household waste. And the last, change community behavior in managing household waste are influenced by the social aspect such as community perception, participation, acceptability in managing waste. Furthermore, related to the methods and data of this study, this research was conducted in Bekasi City. Bekasi City, one of the metropolitan city in the West Java province, has an area 210.48 square kilometer with a population of 2,431,480 people. With the population in this study were members of the West Bank in the 12th district in Bekasi City, totaling 8,084 families, and data obtained from the respondent were 848 respondents. The sampling method used was an electronic questionnaire because currently there is a COVID-19 pandemic, so it's not possible to conduct interview and field observation. The research was conducted using quantitative method, and the final state, the data obtained were analyzed with SPSS software by conducting a correlation test between perception, participation, and acceptability as variable factors that influence household waste management behavior. The result and discussion from this research include: number one, research related to public perception of household waste management. Is known that the public perception about household waste management is that 98% of respondents already know the importance of household waste management. Analysis of correlation tests of the variable public perception of household waste management, it can be concluded that there is relationship between community perception of household waste management. Correlation or relationship between community perception or waste management is weak, unidirectional, so that an increase to public perception will also improve the quality of household waste management. Number two, research related to community participation in house management is known that community participation of house management, the percentage of respondents who have participated in household management is 51%. Community behavior or habit, as many 38% of people have made effort to manage waste from food, organic waste independently in their respective home. As many as 54% of the people have made waste management effort by means independent dry, plastic, and organic sorting for each house. As many 41% the people have separated organic and inorganic waste, and 25% have made effort to dry clean plastic and organic waste. The correlation test analysis of variable community participation in household waste management, it can be concluded that there is a correlation or there is relationship between community participation in household waste management. The relation between community participation and waste management is weak, unidirectional, so that increasing in community participation will also improve the quality of household waste management. And three, research related to community accessibility in house waste management is known that only 17% of the community accessibility in household waste management state that the community had voluntarily carry out household waste management independently or on a community scale. Analysis the correction test of community accessibility variable household waste management is concluded that there is relationship between community accessibility and household management. The correlation of linkage between community accessibility and waste management is weak, unidirectional, so that increasing community accessibility will also improve the quality of household waste management. And the conclusion, the implementation for this research are that effort increasing public perception, participation, and accessibility of household waste management have an impact on change in community behavior in household waste management. So, there is a need for synergy and special attention related to this matter. And two, this research can be a recommendation in household management, waste management by the government and related stakeholders in realizing change in community behavior in household waste management in effort the manage sustainability sustainable sustainable ways. And uh, that's presentation can explain apologize if there are words that are not pleasing. Thank you to the GASSD Symposium Committee for the opportunity that has been given to me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.